Now, Fanny and Annie had some money at first, and Fanny gave $60 to Annie, and both of them had the same amount of money. That means to say that at first, the models of Fanny should be longer than that of Annie, because the question said that when Fanny gave money to Annie, then they have equal amount. So how much is the difference? The difference should be $120. Why? Because after Fanny gave away half of what the difference here, they had the same. So then we can cut the model to be such that Annie having 1 unit, and that for Fanny is 1 unit plus 120. Alright? And when we cut half of the difference, alright, that means 120 divided by 2, which is 60. Then when we give $60 to Annie, then they had the same. So this is how the model look like. So the question says that if Annie were to return $54 back to Fanny, the new ratio of Fanny's money to Annie's money would be 5:2. 5 parts is to 2 parts. So now we returned $54 from Annie back to Fanny. So Fanny's model will be 1 unit plus 60 plus $54. As that for Annie, she would have 1 unit and then $6 left, because she has 60, so give away 54, she has $6 left. This is the M models. And it says that the new ratio will be 5 parts is to 2 parts. So Fanny having 5 parts and Annie having 2 parts. Alright? So we're supposed to find how much money Fanny have at first. So we've got to find what is 1 unit. To do that, firstly, compare the models here, the M models. The difference is 3 parts. And we know that this difference of 3 parts is equal to $108 from the model. Alright, and then if we were to take 108 divided by 3, we'll find 1 part to be $36. Okay, so if 1 part is $36, then Annie in the end will have 2 parts left. Right, so Annie have 36 times 2. Why you want that? Because you want the information of finding 1 unit, don't forget. So Annie have 2 parts, which is 36 times 2, which is $72. Okay, that means 2 parts is $72. By looking at this part of the model straight away, we know that 1 unit is equivalent to 2 parts minus $6. Alright, comparing the models. So since we know that 2 parts is $72, so 1 unit is equal to $72 minus 6, which is equal to $66. Question is, how much money did Fanny have at first? Look at the model of Fanny at first. She had 1 unit plus $120. And we have found that 1 unit is $66. So Fanny at first had $66 plus $120. That equates to $186. Alright, so the answer to the questions, Fanny had $186 at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.